Ismael, the new floor is going down, and I mean, this is the old floor, right? Going back down?
Yes, sir.
I mean, this thing looks awesome, by the way.
Yes, we removed the old floor, we resurfaced one side, and we tried to preserve the same floor that I was in here originally.
And so, I mean, look at this. What is this, heart pine?
Yeah, it's about an inch thick. The material is so dense that there's no need for a subfloor.
I mean, look at these growth things, right? You don't see that anymore. Look how tight those are.
No.
So what is the process for cleaning this up and getting it ready to put back down?
I can show you downstairs if you want.
I'd love to do it. Lead on.
All right, follow me. Okay, Kevin, this is a sample of the flooring that we have.
Mm-hmm.
The first step is remove all the nails out of the board.
Yep.
Get one of the sides straight.
Okay.
And then flip it over, go with a wire brush, remove the paint on all the dirt that could be on it.
Yeah.
Next step will be skim plate one of the sides.
All right, let's put this one through.
Okay, safety first. The next step is rip them to weight.
So what did we just rip those to?
We rip those to 4.5 inches.
Okay.
But we use them random widths and random lengths.
All right. Set these right here.
Okay.
Got the first one to go down. Oh, look at this. I thought you guys were face nailing, but screws, obviously, right?
Yes, sir.
3-inch trim screw, self-tapping. So, I mean, we're setting these things right on these open ceiling joists here. So, I mean, even when we tighten this up, there are still going to be these little hairline openings here. And, you know, we've got a finished dining room down below. How do you stop all the dirt and debris from going down below, which is going to be a finished dining room?
Okay, Kevin, we're going to have a false ceiling between the rafters.
Up in here?
Yes, sir.
Did you see from downstairs? Ah.
Okay, so there'll be no dust, nothing going downstairs.
Okay. Wow.
I fit.
Not bad, huh? So we got about a 170-year-old floor that's has been tuned up, and it's going to give us another 100 years, I think.
You bet.
Well, that looks good. Nice job, Ismael. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.